Good morning, everyone. I'm here at Lake Eacham Tourist Inn, and yeah, it's a cold morning today. We'll be trying our best to get a lot of waterfalls and a lot of nice spots. We're looking into going to Fitzroy Island, but we're not sure yet. And look at my eyes. Oh yeah. By the way, we got a green room here, and we got a green car. What is it with green in this trip? We're getting all the green things. By the way, this place is okay. This is the toilet here, and this is the entrance of the place. The thing is, the toilet smells like chlorine, but it's at least clean. And yeah, I need to prepare food for us to go so that we can leave now. Yeah, has a clean stove also. Oh, might as well make coffee. Yeah, let's stop moving now. Okay, this is the view of our room, and we're heading off now to, I don't know where, there's no internet, so we weren't able to plan well last night, but we're gonna go to the city and try to plan everything up. So, here we go. The thing with traveling is that when you go from place to place, you just stay on the place for just the night, and you don't enjoy staying on the accommodation that you booked. It's quite sad, but if you want to see the world, if you want to travel, you have to do it. First stop is Lake Eacham, and what I can tell about this place is I can't tell you anything because I don't know anything, so I'm just gonna look into that one. Oh my goodness, what kind of traveler am I? Look at that. How's your morning, Laura?
Cold. I want to swim, Mikel.
I just swam on the shower earlier today. I was just doing this. It's warm. Is it a joke or what? Anyway, let's see how it goes. Oh, there are turtles here. Ooh. Feeding fish, turtles prohibited. Oh. Turtles. If you can look closely, there are fishes just waiting for us to give them food. Apparently we're not allowed to feed fishes and turtles, and I don't also feed them because I have nothing to feed them except my foot. Not really. Okay, so we're moving to the next part. Where are we going now?
Stay here.
Hey, Laura? You want to stay here? The last time you said you want to stay here was on Wilson's prom, and after a few minutes you were crying for help. You just want to go home.
It wasn't a minute. It's an hour.
An hour? Now what are you gonna do?
I know.
You're gonna fall off there.
Really?
Yeah. Typical Laura. It's not a turtle. A turtle's there. We just saw a turtle.
Two.
Where? Just somewhere there. There are turtles there. Oh. Looking for turtles?
Yeah.
Okay, we just saw two turtles. So we just saw two turtles. So that's a good thing, right? That's a good thing. Nice to start the day. Okay. Oh, they even have picnic areas. And whoa. Oh shit.
I don't want to swim.
Oh my god. So Laura just wanted to swim on this lake because it's so nice. Then we saw this sign here. It says, "Stay clear of the crocodile." There's a freshwater crocodiles. They're timid and not life-threatening, but they are still crocodiles. They may become aggressive when disturbed. So, yeah. Apparently, there are crocodiles still here. Shit. Stay there. I want to get a photo. It's not scared. It's scared of you. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Hi. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. The birdie. Go get the birdie. Ah, the birdies. You still want to swim with the crocodiles there?
Yeah.
They're timid though, and they're not life-threatening. But don't step on them when you see them. Like, fuck, crocodiles. Freshwater crocodiles.
Falls, ang mga waterfalls din hindi man sila makakompare sa Serenity ano.
So it has sand, rocks, pebbles there. So it's nice to start the swimming. And I can see some people here. Diving. So it's safe. You can swim. It's alright. Never mind the crocodiles. They're good. Now that she just wants to go to the tea house. So yeah, that was the first thing she saw. Going to the tea house, get something to drink, get something to eat. Yeah. Here it is. So let's see what's in here. Eggs Benedict here is great. Really love it. Marina, like marine tea house or something. It's really good. Yeah. Look, I just had a very awesome breakfast at the tea house. We've been trying to eat good food. No, not really. We've been trying to get the best food during the mornings because it's one of the main meals of the day that we're having. We just had one meal day two, which is not what we expected, but now, yeah. Whoa! Look at those trees! Whoa! They're big. Forest giants. I don't know. Next stop. So this is the cathedral fig tree that we're here right now, and it's a big tree. Yeah. Yeah. In Sikihor, we climbed the. Let me just try to check. Okay, that's good. In Sikihor, we climbed In Sikihor, we climbed the baleta tree, which was in. Was it in Lazi? Yeah, the Sikihor tree. We just climbed it. In here, they fenced it, so we can't climb it. So too bad. Anyway, here's Laura here.
Too bad.
Yeah, because we can't climb it. We're like, yeah, we are. All good. Yeah. Back home in Sikihor, we climbed the baleta tree, but here it's fenced, so we can't climb it. It's all good. Laura's here, and then the rest of the tourists are here. Some fellows. So yeah, that's a tree. Check it out. Cheers. It's like an Eisenhower or something. I'm not really sure. It's like Australian, so I'm not sure. Curtain fig tree. So yeah, we're heading to the curtain fig tree. And yeah, we're looking for the curtain fig tree. So yeah, there's yeah, it could be. It could be like their new sprouts, but yeah, they're not that big. Awesome place. There we go. See the curtains. We're heading out. We're heading out to the next destination that we have, which is a waterfall. Trying to use most of our time. So yeah, that's it.